Hi everyone, this video is a part of my Korea University's coding tutorials. Hi everyone, today we'll be talking about how to draw points, lines, and triangles, and how to use them. We'll go through each of the pieces to see how it's all constructed. Point. A point in processing is 1 pixel wide. It can be hard to see on the screen, so we often need to make them a bright color and have a thick border. If we look at the processing reference documentation for the parts we need to draw a point on the screen, we'll see it's only 2 pieces, an X position and a Y position. Processing will then draw a point at that location on the screen. To draw a point, we use the point keyword and then pass in the 2 values we want to draw the point at. It will look something like point 2050. As a note, we have to draw the size of the window for every sketch we draw. In this example, we'll set the size to be size 100, 100. Now, if we run our program, you might be able to make out the point, but they are very small. Let's move on to lines. They are much easier to see. Lines are very similar to points. As far as processing is worried, they are just made up of 2 points, which is pretty neat. The statement we use to draw a line is line, and then 2 sets of x and y values. The first set is the position of the first point, and the second set is the position of the second point. Processing then automatically draws a line between them. Pretty cool. So if we have a statement that is line 45, 35, 75, and 85, we can see that 45 is the x value of the first point, and 35 is the y value of the first point. The second point is positioned at an x value of 75 and a y value of 85. As a note, we are going to be looking at 2D shapes. Some 3D methods can be used, but we'll be skipping over them unless specifically mentioned. Triangles. Most of you may have noticed that triangles are just 3 lines. Crazy, right? And remember that lines are just made of 2 points. So we can think of triangles as kind of like a line in that it is made up of points with lines automatically drawn between them. So if we have a triangle with the statement triangle 10, 70, 20, 90, 30, 80, we have a collection of 3 points separated into pair of points. The first point is located at x10 and y70, and the second is at x20 and y90. The final pair is at x30 and y80. There are many different shapes and orientations of triangles that you can draw with different values used in the place of the 3 points used to construct the triangle. In this image, we can see a good example of how the structure of a triangle can be related back to the lines and points we spoke about earlier. It's important to keep this in mind as we build upon our previous knowledge and understanding. That's it for this section. See you in the next one.